fault code readings. You have freeze frame data, which is going to show you the status of it. You have help and components, which is going to give you information about those exact components, where they might be located, what's the pinout, measurements as well. You can also view them on a diagram, which will show you exactly where it connects and what's the pinout for that engine, so you don't have to make any more wild guessing, so to say. CB6 is right here, connects to the main engine management control unit, which you can also double click, and this is what you're going to get. You have monitoring. If there are sensors, we can connect to them, more than 20 sensors, and you can view them on live data selection, so your mechanics can monitor when something's going on. You also have an interactive overview panel, which can be viewed as well like this. Actuation of components, turning them on and off. It's basically going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to do it actually. There it is. System checks, cylinder cutouts, we can turn them on and off once the cylinder is off. This is just to give you an explanation. Once the cylinder is off, the engine's gonna start rumbling. It's gonna be a manual cutout for each of them. So turn them on and off. Cylinder 5, in case you have 4 cylinders, you can just turn 4 of them off. In case you have 6, it's gonna give you everything here. Once it's done, you're gonna have an overview of the tool, of the test that was done.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.